Hello, first graders. Today we're going to do our sentences for our Unit 8 assessment. Now, I have a couple tools to help me. I am not asking a grown-up to spell my words for me. What I can do is I can use my student notebook to help me. There are pages at the beginning that are helpful. We have all of our trick words in the back to look up. The other tool I have that might just be easier to find things is I have my foundations folder that I can use to help me with my words. I can also use this as a tool to help me remember how to mark my words. It has my glued sounds and my trick words. So these are two tools that you can use to help you. You're not asking a grown-up to help you spell your words. So these are tools, but what I want you to get out is your cloud and wind journal, your composition book that looks like this one. So if you don't have it out, pause the video and get that now. And we're going to flip to page 91. It's towards the back of your journal that says number 8 at the top, test number 8 at the top. And go ahead and write the date. Now, if you can't write on this page because it's already full of stuff, that's okay. Just find a blank page in your journal that you can work on today or ask your teacher for help. Okay, do you have the page? You're on page 91. Let's get started. We have two sentences to write. I'm going to show you our sentence frames, tell you the sentence, and then I want you to do your best to either look up your trick words, and if they're not trick words, to tap and spell your words for our sentences. Okay, let's take a look. We're going to do sentence number 1. So find the 1 on your page, and we're going to write our first sentence here. Here's our sentence frame. Ready? Here's our sentence. Could Jill munch on her plum? Could Jill munch on her plum? Now this sentence frame gives you some hints about your sentence. Remember, these words that are circled means they're trick words. You don't have to tap them out. In fact, I don't want you to tap them out. I want you to go and look them up and double check your spelling. Remember that a sentence frame that looks like this reminds you to use an uppercase letter at the start. Think about what this one at the end tells me. I'm going to say our sentence one more time. Can you say it after me? Could Jill munch on her plum? Okay, my friends, pause the video, write your sentence. Remember to scoop your sentence after you're done writing it. Are you all done writing it? If not, pause the video. Check your words. I'm going to say it one more time. Could Jill munch on her plum? Okay, let's take a look at our second sentence now. Ready? Can you find the number 2 on your page? And again, if you're running out of room, that's okay. Just use another page. That's not the most important part of this. Here's our sentence frame for our second sentence. You ready to listen? Where did the dog sniff some clams? Where did the dog sniff some clams? Go ahead, write your sentence. Check your trick words, think about our sentence frames. Pause the video to take as much time as you need. Okay. Are you ready to check your sentence with me? I'm going to say it one more time. You point to each word as we say it. Where did the dog sniff some clams? Okay, first graders, I'm so excited. Can't wait to see your fabulous sentences with your beautiful letters. You have already grown and learned so much this year, so you should be very proud of your work. If there were words that were tricky for you to tap out, that's a-okay. Let your teacher know. Say, hey, sniff was really hard for me to tap out. Can you help me practice that some more? Your teacher will be happy to work with you to help you out. Okay, my friends, thank you for working hard on your Unit 8 assessment today.